This is a measure, and these are called bar lines. But what does that mean? Well, let's first start with a single quarter note. And that one quarter note is going to equal one beat. But what if there's more than one quarter note? Say 12 to be exact. Well, because one quarter note equals one beat, and we now have 12 quarter notes, that means we have 12 total beats. Each number, or each quarter note, equals one beat. Let's count each beat out loud. 1, 2, ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a lot of numbers to keep track of. And what happens if there are more than 12 quarter notes? Yeah, we're going to need a better way to organize those notes. So how can we do that? Well, let's put these dividers in between some of the notes. These dividers are called bar lines, and they help us organize all of the notes on the staff into what we refer to as measures. And now that we have these measures and bar lines, we no longer need to label all of the quarter notes 1 through 12. Instead, on the first beat of every measure, we'll start over with beat 1, meaning that in this example, each measure includes 4 beats, because there are 4 quarter notes in between each bar line. So we would count it by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, and then going back to 1 at the start of the next measure. In addition, because we had 12 quarter notes and placed bar lines after every 4 quarter notes, in total, we would have 3 measures that appear in this example. Let's count this example out loud. 1, 2, ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Just remember that at the start of every new measure, we start over with beat 1. That's because a new bar line indicates the start of a new measure. Let's try another example. Say we place the bar lines every 2 quarter notes. Does this change the amount of measures there are? Yes, it does. Because we changed the amount of quarter notes in between each bar line to 2, there are now 6 total measures. Seems how there are now 2 beats per measure. Let's count out loud each beat of this example. 1, 2, ready, go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You may have noticed that at the end of each example, there's a different kind of bar line. That bar line is called a double bar line, and it can appear in 2 different ways. The way it's presented right now is called a final double bar line, which indicates the end of a piece of music. The second way it could appear is like this, where it's just 2 normal bar lines put together. This marks the end of a section or phrase within a piece of music. Alright, now that we covered that, let's try one last example. Say we place the bar lines every 3 quarter notes. We would now have 3 beats per measure because there are 3 quarter notes in between each bar line. This also means that there are in total 4 measures in this example. Let's count out loud each beat of this example. 1, 2, ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you want to watch more music lessons for beginners, make sure you click one of the videos on the left side of your screen to continue your journey. And hey, if you want to see more content like this, then click the profile icon on the right side of your screen to subscribe to the channel. That way you never miss another video. Until then though, I hope you have a great week and happy practicing.